Okay guys, we're here today with Carlos, Fetty, myself who is Gabe, and Uzi Walker Daniel, and also Aaron Kyro, but he's not really able to speak at the moment. We're here with a very special video, but first off, this bag, box, is addressed to Lance Silver. I don't really know who that is or how we ended up with his package, but we're gonna open it anyways. Guys, make sure that when you get mail at your house, that it is actually addressed to you. Fetty, why are you so sweaty?
I was playing hot Fortnite.
Oh my god!
What was that, dude?
What have you done?
Nobody breathe. The least expected thing of my life.
What is that?
What have you done?
We're all dead.
My worst mistake.
Sure.
Hey guys, hope you enjoy these wooden wheels. They're made from pretty dense hardwoods, so hope they won't explode on you. The light colored ones are made from olive wood from Rome. Holy crap. And the darker ones are made from, oh, I don't know how to say that. B-O-C-O-T-E,
Bocote.
which is from Brazil. Thanks, from Mike Skiff.
Wait, how'd he get this wood?
I don't know. Is he from Rome and or Brazil?
That spins pretty good.
Look at my
These
pants.
are like,
Any beaver would be proud of us right now.
Like a beaver that made those wheels and sent it to us. The handwriting is quite beaver-like. Beaver right with his tail. Tail would be way cooler. Well, no, but they can swim, can't they? No, where? How'd you catch it?
I don't know. I just heard the noise, and then I'm like, "There's got to be something in there."
What bag is that?
I don't know. I think it's just one of the Rice Krispie ones.
Wow.
It's tiny.
Where is it? I don't see it.
It's in there.
All right, let's go down the end and then just put the bag down. We
let's
can
just
let him
go
out.
over there.
It's a vicious tiger, out to kill us all. The messy stand named him Lionel. Lionel Mousy. Lionel Mousy!
Mind blown.
Oh! I'm on a roll. Dude, those things attack, okay?
Yeah.
I've
seriously.
experienced this firsthand. Lionel, get out. Oh! Stay free! Carlos is first, second, and last. Wow. Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh! I don't want to kick a little bit more. Carlos!
Wait, we got this.
Yo! This one broke already. Dang it. Alright, well, play it as it lies. You break everything.
I don't. That's
the smallest man.
That's the irony of this right here.
The smallest man, the most powerful legs. Alright, well, thank you, Carlos. Carlos did break the first pair, or the first wheel. So we do have a 3D printed wheel that looks like wood, so we're gonna put that on there. Start the game of Full Park Skate. We haven't even started. Are you eating pepperoni jerky?
it's pepperoni pizza jerky.
How is it?
It's really good.
That's good. Okay, well, I guess we can just go in the same order that we did the kickflip off. I'm filming, so I'm not gonna play.
Do an ollie 360 on the hip, but these are so slippery.
Can you play something for us? Anything. For our YouTube video.
Oh, let's wait for this guy.
All right. Woo! If you break it, we add a letter.
It's gonna be a corrido. You know, they're gonna play a song for you, Gabe. For you, Braille Army, and they have a Facebook, so you should definitely check them out. The links will be in the description.
Martín, Eneri. De los ranchos parientes. Puro estilo rancho. Eso se llama. Rolling One, dice.
Rolling one rumbo al millón. Rolling One, somos estilo rancho.
Estilo rancho, chavalones.
Thank you guys so much. What's your Facebook page? Let's shout you out. Yeah. Thank you so much.
I'm in.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you.
You see that?
Okay, thank you.
Can we just end the video there?
Hey, I'm at the Mexican restaurant. I was like, wait, what's going on?
Why have we never done that before? That was beautiful. I almost cried like 4 times. I see Daniel in the back getting it,
The most random thing that's ever happened at Braille House, dude.
dude, skating is so boring after that. Like, how do you top that? That was within the first 10 minutes of the video all this stuff happened. Who knows, if we're filming this video for another 30 minutes, we might have freaking Elon Musk come visit the place.
Mario caught a mouse, Carlos broke a wheel, and a mariachi band played.
Can I just say, whoever that man was that had the mic on, his voice was beautiful.
Yeah, it's good to see you smile, dude.
Yes.
I didn't know Chris McNugget was back.
I know, right? He freaking floated on that.
The slowest kickflip.
He was like, kickflip, and it wasn't flipping. He's like, I'll just wait up here for a little while.
I did not play that in slow motion. That was full speed.
It's cool that my hair is like has a cool effect every time I fall now.
Oh my god!
That was foul.
Whoa.
Whoa. Betty, at least let me know.
At least take him out on a date first.
DVT.
Gee.
Carlos! 2?
Dang it.
Alright, well that's another letter for you.
Oh, yeah. No.
Carlos did land it, but by technicality of the wheel break, he does get a letter, so he has K. Look at you!
Another letter.
Look at old Crane-Lysius!
That is not fair, dude. That is not fair.
That's messed up. Should I just write the letters now?
Alright, well we have had a dramatic turn of events in the Braille house. I don't really know what they are, but I just know that there's been a dramatic shift.
This is
I think
the
I'm
most
literally
random
gonna,
video
yeah, I'm
we've
gonna
ever
call
done.
this video the most random Braille video of all time, possibly.
Most random, you make it we
Fiesta or Fiesta at Braille House or something.
I hope you guys enjoyed that very extremely random episode of You Make It We Skate It. Thank you for the poke, Fetty. I appreciate it.
You used to like be able to poke people on like Facebook.
Yeah.
Can
Wow.
you do that anymore?
I don't know. I don't use Facebook. Stop! You broke the marker! Who does have a Facebook is the band that came in here and played that beautiful song for us. So you
great-
should definitely go
great
check
segue.
them out. And you can check out all of these guys on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. Click over here, over Carlos's face to check out the cutting board wheels. And you can click over Fetty's area to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And we'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. You are the best. And check out Skateboarding Made Simple because you won't be disappointed.
Have a good forking day.
Stop! Don't write fork on the ball! Everyone get out. Go home.
No, Aaron feels.